All right, I'm going to show you how to get a spring off real fast off a hood spring on a 46 Ford. Now, to reinstall this spring, which everyone has a ton of problems with, I have a unit here. I cut a slot in a piece of conduit. It's about 5/8 conduit. And now I'll reassemble the spring, which everyone has a hard time doing. If you watch, what I'm doing is I'm putting the spring through the loop. The little bit of groove I cut in the bottom of the thing will go on the bottom of this. And now I will put the spring on. There it is, ready?
Mm-hmm.